Midea, world's best water heater. A true global brand. Have presence in all over the world. Midea North America, Midea Germany, Midea Australia, Midea Middle East. Midea water heater have different shapes and sizes. 30, 40, 50, 80 and 100 liter. 15, 30 liter. 60% energy saving, save electricity bill. Keep water hot for 24 hours. 3-layer sapphire enamel tank gives lifetime longevity. Magnesium anode rod remove iron from water. Auto thermostat switch off the heater once water reach in certain temperature. Ensure after sales service. 5 years guarantee.
Midea. Make yourself at home.